The European SEACURE project has selected the Schiebel CAMCOPTER S-300 as its key platform for enhancing anti-submarine warfare and seabed warfare capabilities. Developed by the Austrian company Schiebel, this advanced unmanned aerial system (UAS) will play a pivotal role in protecting Europe's critical maritime infrastructure. The SEACURE project, involving 35 companies from 13 European countries, is focused on improving naval defense through unmanned systems that can operate across air, surface, and underwater domains. As global maritime threats evolve, traditional defense methods are being replaced by advanced, flexible, and cost-effective solutions like the CAMCOPTER S-300. With a maximum takeoff weight of 700 kilograms, the S-300 can operate for over 24 hours in reconnaissance missions, carrying payloads such as high-performance cameras and Inverse Synthetic Aperture Radar, ISAR. Even with heavier payloads, it maintains impressive endurance, making it one of the most versatile UAS in its class. What sets the CAMCOPTER S-300 apart is its vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capability, enabling it to be deployed rapidly from ships, land bases, or even unmanned surface vessels. This flexibility is essential for operations in contested maritime environments where traditional infrastructure is unavailable. The integration of unmanned systems like the S-300 into the SEACURE project is part of a larger shift toward autonomy and multi-domain coordination in naval defense. These systems will work alongside other unmanned air, surface, and underwater platforms to provide a comprehensive defense network. One of the key objectives of SEACURE is to protect critical underwater infrastructure, including subsea cables, pipelines, and energy installations. The S-300's long endurance and ability to monitor vast maritime areas make it an invaluable asset for detecting and neutralizing underwater threats, enhancing maritime security. The SEACURE project is set to conclude with a large-scale sea trial by 2028, providing valuable data on the effectiveness of unmanned systems in naval defense. By combining Schiebel's cutting-edge technology with the expertise of European industry leaders, the project aims to create a robust, scalable, and cost-effective solution for future maritime security challenges. The Schiebel CAMCOPTER S-300 is not just a technological advancement, it's a glimpse into the future of naval defense, offering unmatched performance, flexibility, and adaptability in the face of emerging maritime threats.